Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have a car battery. And I've been having some problems with my car. It hasn't been starting consistently. Every couple of weeks, I'm having to jump it. And it's probably because it has a weak battery. So today, I'm going to check this thing out and see if it needs replacement. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my handy dandy Radio Shack multimeter and check the existing voltage of the battery. Now the battery's been sitting overnight without charge, so we'll see what it records right now. So the multimeter comes with two leads, one red and one black. The red lead will attach to the positive terminal of the battery and the black to the negative terminal. And we'll see what it records. And it looks like it's about 10.4 volts, which is below the 12 to 12.6 volts that you would like to see in your battery. So it is kind of low. So I did set up the multimeter so I could see it through the window from inside the car, and so I'm just going to turn the key a little bit just to see if it lights up, and it does. You can see the battery display right there, and I'm going to see if this thing will actually turn over. It's a little bit low voltage, but it actually might work, or maybe not. But either way, I'm going to test out to see if the alternator will be charging this thing. Oh, it did actually turn over, and it actually bumped up to 14.221 volts, which indicates the alternator is charging the battery. And so that pretty much tells me that it's the battery, it's a weak battery and not a bad alternator. So at least we know the alternator is charging the battery. So I guess we need a new battery. So the first thing to do is to loosen up the terminal connections so we can remove the wires connecting the battery to the car. And so we'll do that next. So in most cars, the battery is kind of secured to the engine block by either a bracket or some straps, which need to be removed before you can remove the battery. And then after you get the battery out, you do want to kind of clean the terminal connections with a wire brush before you insert the new battery. So just you need to purchase a battery specifically for your brand car. There might be several selections from low end to high end, but that choice will be up to you. Now you do want to insert the new battery in the same direction as the old, so the positive and negative terminals are in the same orientation. And don't forget to resecure your new battery using the brackets or strap you took off the old. Now it's not required, but I always like to install these battery installation kits, which are essentially just little greased up pads onto the terminal before I replace the battery cables. Now those will help prevent corrosion of your terminals, but again, it's not required. After you're ready, you could go ahead and replace your battery cables to your battery and tighten them up. So your new battery might come with a charge, but not nearly enough to start your engine. So you will need to jump start your car to get it started. And then here you can see I'm just checking the voltage to make sure that the alternator is charging the battery. And after your car is started, you do want to drive it around for about 30 minutes, give or take, so your alternator can fully charge your new battery. And here I am just verifying that the battery is fully charged with 12 volts. Actually, it looks like it might be up to 13 volts now. So we're all good to go. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen. And even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.